Welcome to this tutorial video. Want to design a wall with decorative molding quickly? In just a few minutes, we'll walk you through the entire process and recreate this case step by step. Let's get started. Select the wall and click to enter Wall Editor. Enter the Wall Editor page. Click the rectangle tool in the top toolbar and draw the ceiling area on the wall. Use the Add Guides tool in the top toolbar to evenly divide the wall into 5 parts. Then add corresponding auxiliary lines according to the wall design. Click the rectangle tool at the top to draw the outer contour of the wall design. And then use the Offset tool to create the inner contour of the wall design. Click Moldings in the left sidebar. At the top, select Decorative Moldings, then drag and drop the appropriate material into the target area. Select the Outer Contour Decorative line. Click to enter Section Edit. Adjust the size as needed in the pop-up panel, and then click Done. Select the Outer Contour Decorative line. Then click the Material Replacement button in the left panel and choose the appropriate material for replacement in the pop-up panel. Next, select the Ready Outer Contour Decorative line. Click Duplicate in the floating window, and then paste into current styling area. Select the Inner Contour Decorative line. Use the same method to replace the material, and paste into current styling area. Click Wall Decor in the left sidebar. At the top, select Paints and Coatings. Choose Grey from the color. Then place the needed material in the corresponding area. Once completed, hold the Shift key to frame the designed elements. Click Duplicate in the floating window, choose Accurate Copy, and copy the design to the corresponding position. Next, you can drag and enlarge the upper right corner of the viewer to check the effect and see if adjustments are necessary. If no adjustments are needed, click Exit with Save in the upper right corner. After rendering, you will get a satisfying effect image. That's all. Thanks for watching.